Today, we're working on an Epson L8180 printer that a customer recently purchased but won't turn on due to a power failure. In this video, we'll quickly diagnose the issue and show you how to fix it.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
We begin by removing the right cover of the printer to access and inspect the power system. Since the printer was exposed to generator power, there is a high chance that the power system has been damaged. Our first step is to carefully examine the components to determine whether the power board has failed and identify any visible signs of damage before proceeding with the repair. Unscrew the necessary screws to easily remove the right cover of the printer. This will give us clear access to the power system for inspection and troubleshooting. Now that the right cover has been removed, you have clear access to the power system. The next step is to carefully unscrew the bolts securing the power unit in place. Once all the screws are removed, gently lift the power unit out of the printer, ensuring that no cables or connectors are damaged in the process. This will allow for a thorough inspection and diagnosis of the issue. Now we will connect the printer to a new power system taken from an Epson L8080, which is similar to the L8180 power system. This will help us determine whether the issue is with the power system or another component. After installing the replacement power unit, we'll plug in the printer and check if it turns on. If the printer powers up successfully, it confirms that the issue is with the original power system, which will either need to be repaired or replaced. As you can see, the printer is now working perfectly after replacing the power system. This confirms that the issue was with the original power unit. Hopefully, this solution helps you as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We have reassembled the printer, and now we will print a nozzle check to ensure there are no other issues. This test will help us verify that the printer is functioning correctly and that all colors are printing properly. As you can see, the printer is working perfectly and the nozzle check has printed without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Device Doctor for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.